Hello, this is my DIY Decor Organization channel. I hope you like what you see. Subscribe to my channel. You're more than welcome. This is an organization video I'm going to be making now. As I promised, I was going to be doing organization of my refrigerator inside. So that's what I'm going to do now. Well, aside I have this, as I showed you before, to organize little things in there. Coupons and things like that. And in the top of the freezer, we just keep it simple. There, as you see, very simple. Sorry, we have a problem with the light in here, but I do my best. Yeah, that's what we have. A basket from Goodwill and things like that. Keep everything in there. That is supposed to be for the refrigerator. And there inside now. We have the water here, water there. Little basket from Dollar Tree. These boxes and the Nestle juice. I bought it at Costco a long time ago, but I still have them. They are very sturdy, very firm. They're good. And I use duct tape to cover it, and they're lasting for forever. They're good. So I recycle those boxes to organize the eggs, fruits there, our bread, meal and juices there, as you see. Some leftovers from the food. And here at the door I have the bottle, things like that there, as you see. Just the salad dressing, things like the mayonnaise, things like that we all need. We have the salad there, as you see, things like that. Lemon there, cheese. All the cheeses are here, like that. I got those white containers from Little Ben's from Target Dollar Spot. Here's your way of organizing. I hope you like what you see and subscribe to my channel. You're more than welcome. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.